Okay, so we're on the backside. We're continuing in this kind of dropping and bouncing ball type thing, or bouncing person off of a bungee jump. So our ball is now dropped from a height of 144 inches. Okay, so sometimes I like drawing a picture here. Okay, so we know that we have 144 inches tall here, right? This is where the ball's starting. And so this first bounce, so it's coming down and it's hitting the ground, changing direction, and we know our first bounce is 144 inches, okay? So this is bounce one, and it's at a distance of 144. Okay, it's gonna go down, it's gonna bounce again, and this time it's gonna be 72 inches. Okay, so this one's 72 inches. And then on the, I read it wrong, but we can still use the 144. Okay, so I guess it's the first drop is from 144, and that's fine. So on the second and third bounces, the ball is 36. And then it is 18. And so they're wanting to know what's the height of the ball if the pattern continues for the sixth bounce. So so this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, 5, 6. Okay, so if this isn't working for you, you can always do a table. Okay, we can always go the height or the bounce, which bounces it, and the height. So we'll call it B and H. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the first one is 72. Second one is 36, 18, and we want to know 6. So we can always take that first one divided by the last one. Okay, so the second one divided by the first one. So we got 36 divided by 72. Okay, so if we simplify that, 36 divided by 72, and we get 0.5. So our R value, or our common ratio, is 0.5. Okay, so we can take that and we can multiply it by our previous value. So we're going to take 0.5 and we're going to say times 18, and we've got 9. And then we're going to say 9 times 0.5, and we get 4.5. And then we say 4.5 times 0.5, and we get 2.25. Okay, so if you just leave it like this, though, you won't get full credit. Okay, so remember from the last one, what did I say? If it's a word problem, what do you got to do? You've got to write a sentence. So you would say the ball bounces to a height of 2.25 inches on bounce 6. Okay, full credit right there. All right, so I'm gonna let you do this one on your own. I'll show you the answers in class. Actually, I can tell you what the answer is right now. That would actually be helpful to you. So we will do that. Your answer for this one, you should come out with the answer of 2.53125. Okay, and this is not the full credit answer. You got to remember what you got to do, but that's your answer if you did your math right, the 2.53125. Okay, and then the same thing with this guy. Your answer, as Tom notices, okay, at the end of the 5th month, so you should get 1871.77. Okay, so that way you at least know you're getting the problem right, but I want to see you do the work. Okay, all right. Okay. So our last bit of notes, actually I'm going to stop right there for this one because the video is about 5 minutes long. And then I'm going to come back and start in the next section, okay? So got another video coming.